In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify data to Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have a live connection ready to power dashboards and reports so you can track sales, products, and customers in one place without exporting spreadsheets. Start by opening your browser and going to lookerstudio.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account you plan to build reports with. This home screen is your hub for reports and data sources, and keeping everything under the right account helps with sharing and access later. Next, head to the Data Sources section on the left. This area lists connections you've already created and ones shared with you. It's smart to keep names clear and consistent, especially if you manage multiple stores, so you can quickly find and reuse them across different reports. Now create a new data source, click the option to add or create a data source, which opens the connector gallery. Think of this gallery as a catalog of all the services Looker Studio can pull data from. In the search bar at the top, type Shopify. The list will filter instantly. You may see multiple options depending on your region or third-party providers. For a straightforward setup, choose the connector labeled Shopify. If you manage more than one store, just make sure you're selecting the connector that aligns with your needs. Click Shopify to open its connector page. You'll see a short overview of what it can access, like orders, products, and customers, along with any notes about usage. Before moving on, it helps to confirm you have the correct Shopify store URL and that your Shopify role has permission to approve app access. Click Authorize. Looker Studio will request permission through your Google account and then redirect you to approve access on the Shopify side. If you don't see the prompt, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. When you have multiple Google profiles or Shopify stores, double-check you're authorizing the correct combination to avoid pulling the wrong data. Once authorization completes, Looker Studio builds the connection and shows a preview of fields you can use in charts and tables. At this point, you can create a report immediately or save the data source for later. Consider renaming it with your store name and environment like Shopify, Store A, Production to keep things tidy. A few quick tips before you go. Align time zones between Shopify and your report settings so daily totals match expectations. Avoid changing original field IDs unless you know the impact on existing charts. And if data seems delayed, refresh and verify you approve the right account store pair. That's it. You're connected and ready to build Shopify dashboards in Looker Studio. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.